Alright, so I got my Epson WorkForce 610 in the mail today. I was a little disappointed. The packaging is a little beat up. So let's go ahead and dig into this thing. The front, pretty basic. You've got the picture of the printer itself and some features that it does on the side. Also note that it does show that it's Wi-Fi, which was important to me. One of the reasons that I got it for my home office. Turn it around. Shows that it's compatible with Windows and Mac. And on this side, goes into some of the laser quality tests that they've done, the cost efficiency with the ink cartridges, time saver stamp, talking about how fast it goes, automatic document feeder, again that it's energy efficient, here, there, and the vibrant color output. Turn around again, talks about the print and copy speed, laser quality, scanner resolution, the fax speed, and the print resolution. And in the sidebar I'll have some information, a link to Epson's website that really documents everything. Flip it up, and what's in the box? It's got the actual WorkForce 610 Color All-in-One instruction manual, CD-ROM with drivers and bonus software, free sample paper pack with offers, a power cord, telephone cord, 4 Duro-Bright Ultra ink cartridges, 197 extra high capacity black ink cartridge, 368 high capacity color ink cartridges in the colors of cayenne, magenta, and yellow. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Packing slip. I got this actually on eBay. They're running a special on it, one of the electronic retailers that I often get electronics from. Put it up here. Put this to the side, see what else is in the box. As stated, got the driver and instruction CD and some OS instructions as well. Some offers that you get with any printer. Advertising for paper, different types of paper, and I'm sure there's some samples in there as well. Power cord. It's a telephone cord for the fax. And lastly, the ink cartridges. And that's got an extra large black ink cartridge. Set the plastic off here. One of the reasons I really liked this printer was just how professional it looked. I went into a couple of retail stores prior to the purchase online, and I went to Staples and Best Buy and took a look at it. And it just really has a pretty sleek appearance to it, real clean looking. All this plastic here. This is for your fax, scan, and photocopy. This pops up as well. It's got a full display on it with number pad, directional for the menu, start button here, stop and clear settings here, and a home section over here, little camera, because it is a photo printer as well. So that pops there. Pull this open. And that's where the paper feed slides out. Over here you've got memory cards, XD, MS, and SD card reader, as well as a USB port on the bottom. Check it out in the back. In the rear, you've got standard power outlet there. On the side, you've got your phone jacks, for your fax machine, and an Ethernet cable because it is a Wi-Fi based machine, and USB as well in the back. Not much on the side, and that's pretty much it. Let's see. It's taped pretty good where you can put your ink cartridges in. Your paper as well, down underneath. Looks like that whole thing slides out. So guys, this has been a tech review for the Epson WorkForce 610. I'll probably do another video showing the printer speed and some of the other features about it. So if you have any questions, you can leave a comment below and I'll be sure to get to them.